Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. We'll be looking at two popular dash cameras, the SUVCON Dash Cam and the Pilot Dash Camera.
Get ready for some high-speed comparisons and hilarious commentary.
Let's dive in. Alright, let's kick things off with the price. The SUVCON Dash Cam comes in at a price of $199, while the Pilot Dash Camera is available for $109. Now, I don't know about you, but saving $90 sounds pretty darn good to me.
Next up, let's talk about the camera quality. The SUVCON Dash Cam boasts a triple camera setup, a 170-degree wide-angle front camera, a 150-degree cabin camera, and a 150-degree waterproof rear camera. That's some serious coverage. On the other hand, the Pilot Dash Camera offers a 170-degree front camera, a 120-degree built-in camera, and a 150-degree rear camera. Both cameras have their strengths, but personally, I like the wider field of view offered by the SUVCON Dash Cam. It's like having eyes on the back of your head.
Now let's shed some light on the night vision capabilities of these dash cameras.
The SUVCON Dash Cam features 4 infrared LED lights for clear night vision.
You'll be able to capture important footage even in low light conditions. The Pilot Dash Camera also has infrared cabin lights and a wide aperture, ensuring good color accuracy day or night. But hey, who needs good color accuracy when you can have a dash cam that can see in the dark like a superhero? SUVCON Dash Cam takes the win here.
Time to talk about parking mode. The SUVCON Dash Cam has a built-in G sensor that activates emergency recording and locks the recorded videos when it detects sudden shakes or collisions while your car is stationary.
The Pilot Dash Camera offers a 24-hour parking continuous recording function with the addition of a hardware kit sold separately. Now, I don't know about you, but I prefer a dash cam that's ready to protect my car right out of the box.
SUVCON Dash Cam wins again.
Last but not least, let's discuss loop recording.
The SUVCON Dash Cam automatically overwrites the oldest video when the storage limit is reached, recording in 1 to 3 minute intervals.
And guess what? It even comes with a 32GB SD card, so you don't have to worry about buying one separately.
Meanwhile, the Pilot Dash Camera also offers loop recording and comes with a free U3 32GB micro SD memory card. It's a tie in this category. And that's a wrap, folks.
We've compared the SUVCON Dash Cam and the Pilot Dash Camera in various categories. While both cameras have their strengths, the SUVCON Dash Cam steals the show with its triple camera setup, superior night vision, and built-in G sensor for parking mode.
Plus, it's more budget-friendly. So, if you're in the market for a dash cam, a recommendation goes to the SUVCON Dash Cam.
Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and remember, always buy smart to make the best choices.
See you next time. And that's a wrap, folks. We've compared the SUVCON Dash Cam and the Pilot Dash Camera in various categories.
While both cameras have their strengths, the SUVCON Dash Cam steals the show with its triple camera setup, superior night vision, and built-in G sensor for parking mode.
Plus, it's more budget-friendly. So, if you're in the market for a dash cam, a recommendation goes to the SUVCON Dash Cam.
Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and remember, always buy smart to make the best choices.
See you next time.